YouTube, what's going on? I got my copies of the book, my crossword puzzle book that I created and I published on Amazon. Um, and these are the uh, the author copies that I ordered. Basically, just for quality and control, I ordered three of them just to make sure they're all coming out right. So before I continue, if you like this type of content, where I'm showing you how to create and design your own crossword puzzles notebooks inside of Adobe. Before I continue, if you like this type of content where I'm showing you how to create different types of books that you want to that you can create, enjoy, and share with the world, make sure you like and subscribe and click that button for notifications so you can get more content like this in the future. All right, thank you. So let's continue. So I got my crossword it came in as you can see. It's pretty much what I created. However, the only knock I have is that I know you can't really see it, but on the spine, the texts aren't lined up like they supposed to be. You know. So, and also the cuts are a little different on each book. The third book is the cut. It was atrociously cut, where the blue actually bleeds onto the spine halfway down the book, which I didn't like. I don't know if that was my error, but I use what Amazon gives me as far as tools to make sure I'm making the best quality book covers there I can make, especially if I'm going to be publishing them on Amazon. That was my only knock. And also, I was going through the book, and I noticed that on some of the puzzles that the formatting was off, and I think that this was entirely my issue that I'm going to have to go through and fix. So let me show you exactly what I'm talking about. All right, so let me show you exactly what I'm talking about. Okay, so here's the book. That's the book cover. Everything came out just how I created it. Everything is good. Everything is good. The only issues that I have, and this is probably could have been on me because of my quality and control check person is me, and I'm also the design and creator. So I'm kind of doing three or four things at once with this book. I design it, I have to check it, I have to check my work, make sure everything is nice and neat. So everything was good until I got to this puzzle here, which, as you can see, this puzzle needs to be pushed in a little bit so it can fit inside that. It can fit flushed inside the rectangle. And I think that puzzle 3 was one of the main ones that I really wanted to go back and fix. And this puzzle is kind of like too much space right here on this one. So we got to go back and fix that one. So puzzles 3 and 7 definitely has to be fixed. As far as the other puzzles, I think the book actually came out like I thought it would. No, this is my crossword puzzle book. If you're interested, it's available on Amazon. It's called Level Up Crossword Puzzles for kids. Of course, it's for adults as well. If it's challenging, it has different levels to the crossword puzzles. The words get much longer, more difficult to find as far as the letters that are being entered inside the book. And if you don't want to finish it, there's of course the answer keys is in the back. Comes with the answer keys and with the puzzles. So yeah, that's that. Okay, guys. So what I did was I went and brought up my InDesign from the crossword puzzle book that I had created. And what I'm going to do is I went straight to I had issues on puzzles 3, 7, and 28. So here's the issue I was having on crossword puzzle number 3. So we're going to just bring this nice and tight in the lines, make it flush. Like I said, we don't want to do too much extra. We just want to make sure everything is nice and neat. This book is done. Like I said, these are common issues, guys, that you're going to be facing as a publisher. So this is not nothing that's, to fret about. It's just, get it back, get it done, get it published, and, share it with the world. So here's the other. Now this is going to be a little more trickier to use because I gotta touch this puzzle back here. Let's see. Okay, let's swing this. I think I messed it up more than what I should have done. So here we go. How about this? Let's bring it out just like that. Then we're gonna bring this back here and line it back up with everything else. Boom. Okay, select tool. Okay, so don't you just love when something like this happens? Okay, I don't know, guys. This is you gotta charge this to the game. Sometimes you just have to charge this game. Control Z is your friend. I don't know anything better than that. No, we don't want to change any of that. Yeah, so Control Z is your friend. Use it as you have to. Use it as you have to, because it could help you out a lot. We're gonna go here. Change this. We're gonna bring this back in like that. Boom. I don't know what I was saying, guys. I had a brain fart. So, and we're gonna bring this back. Okay. So, also in InDesign, these, when you're typing in words, depending on what kind of pictures you're using and what kind of format you're using, they may look like they're not there, but that's just InDesign not being able to pick up all the pixels. However, it does catch that once you upload it into Amazon, into KDP. So don't worry about that as well. Just keep working. And last but not least, in the place where it's supposed to be. Gonna bring this in. Boom. And let's just back this off the line just a little bit. I don't like the way how this is covering the line. That's good. That's good. Puzzle key is down. Answer key is at the bottom. Guys, and also it can get a little difficult. I'm not gonna lie. Keep up with your word puzzles and keep up with the puzzle pieces, because once you scramble them on, if it's an accident, even if it's an accident, you're completely lost. You're gonna have to go through and pretty much solve your own crossword puzzle book. You'll be the first one to solve and create. You'll be the first to solve and create something that you meant to give out, that you meant to for other people to solve. But yeah, that's pretty much it, man. I'm gonna save this file, save this, boom, and we're gonna let's do export. Export that as the puzzle book. Yes, we want to replace it. Export it. Yes. Okay. So we're going to go back into KDP. And we're going to upload this book. the new manuscript back in the KDP. So we're going to go here. No, I don't want to order the copies. Don't want to do that. Let's go to edit print book content. It's glossy, okay. And we're going to go to upload paperback manuscript. I'm going to go to this. Boom, there we go. And it's going to upload. Once it uploads, guys, it will not let us proceed to the next page until we make sure we launch the launch preview. Once you launch the preview, it'll show you, KDP will run its own checks for it. And once they see that everything checks out and everything looks good, they're going to say, okay, proceed to the pricing page. That's where you set your prices, or your price for your book. So that's all for today, guys. If you're out there and you're creating something that you really love and you enjoy, hey, keep going. Keep going. Don't pace yourself. If it gets too heavy for you, just stop, take a breath, and reevaluate, and then just take at it chunk by chunk. Just take everything off slowly but surely. Just keep on moving. Don't quit, because at the end of the day, that's what we're about. We're creators, and we have to do. This is how we express ourselves. And if you're not creating, and you are a creator, your mind tends to wander about what is right, what you truly need to be doing versus what you are doing. And you don't want to help that. You want to help your mind be as resonate. Your mind should be resonating with what you're doing at all times. I don't care what you're doing. I understand you have a job, go to work, make the money you need to survive. But at the end of the day, you need to be doing what's best for your brain. And sometimes us creators, creating is where we find peace. So, guys, until next time, thank you for watching.